Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dave here with Go Gamers, and today we have this Nintendo Wii game consoles that's having video issues. When you try to turn it on, it's just showing a black screen. So let's go over to the upper cam and see how we can be able to repair this issue. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have a Nintendo Wii, and the other Wii that I was holding up is just a Wii just for visual purposes. That one also has a black screen issue as well, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm actually working on right now. I've worked on a ton of Nintendo Wiis, and I've had people in the past ask me what causes the issue, or where you turn on the Nintendo Wii, it goes from like where it says right here, it would go from no signal to just a complete black screen. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what causes that issue. Now, there could sometimes be other things that could cause an issue where it goes from no signal to just a black screen. But this is honestly what I see 9 times out of 10. The most common problem is with these Nintendo Wii. So as you guys can see right here, it would start off with just a no signal screen. Then right after this, it would go to a black screen. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I did to repair this issue. So, as you can see, this is our Nintendo Wii right here. I went on ahead, I took out the screws, I took out the black front faceplate, took out the screws right here, removed the DVD drive, just so I could get enough just to be able to lift this off. I didn't take all the screws out of here, just the screws from this general area, including removing the DVD drive. Went on ahead, I went under here, I popped out this, which is known as your Bluetooth module. You can buy these on eBay, you can buy these on Amazon. Went on ahead, and as you can see, here's the old one. I took that one out, and I'm gonna pop back in this new one. As you can see, literally just held up the lip, pushed it in there. That's simple. Now, what I'm gonna do is plug it in, power it on. Let's look at the screen. As you can see, it was not doing this before when I first started working on this game console. And that's pretty much the easiest way to be able to fix that black screen issue, where it goes straight from a no signal straight to a black screen. I don't know why Nintendo made it this way, but if you have a blown Bluetooth module, it won't just tell you on the screen, or it won't just allow you to not be able to hook up the controller. It just won't work. It just won't even cut on. Versus like a Nintendo Wii U, you would know if you have a blown Bluetooth module because it won't connect to the gamepad, won't connect to the console, or the console won't connect to any gamepads because they both have Bluetooth modules in it. So it's weird how they have it set up, but this is literally the easiest way to be able to repair this very, very simple issue. All right, guys, I hope this did repair your issue. Or if you have any additional questions, please let me know down in the comments below. I just wanted to make this quick video because I was already working on this, and I had people ask me about this issue before, so I decided just to fire up this video. Now, if you have any questions or if you need any help on any steps, just please let me know. Also, if you are looking for any of the tools, what you're going to need is a tri-wing and a Phillips. You find both of those on Amazon. Also, I have a bunch of the tools and things that I use for my repairs in the description below. But if you do need help with your repairs, we do repair consoles. So if you want to organize your repair, you can give us a call. You can ship it out to us or bring it directly into any of our store locations, and we'll make sure we'll be able to get your item repaired. But besides that, I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya.